Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. You just got finished watching an alligator chomping video. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? I love it. Okay, Mrs. Hensley is going to talk to you about the signs. Okay, so this sign, the alligator is this way, and that is greater than, and the alligator chomping that way is less than, and this one you've already been introduced to before is equal to. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley wants to talk to you about these signs. Okay, trying to get that glare away, but it's going to be there. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley is going to put some here, some of my chips or counters. Okay. Okay, so let's see how many counters I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 counters here. 1, 2, 3. 3 counters here, or 3 chips. Okay, this alligator, crocodile, you know Mrs. Hensley loves alligators and crocodiles, is chomping the bigger number. Okay, it's always chomping the bigger number. So we would say 6 is greater than 3 because 6 is more than 3, isn't it? Okay, so that alligator or crocodile is chomping the bigger number. That's why the sign is going that way. That is greater than. Okay, so 6 is greater than 3. So the alligator or crocodile is always chomping the bigger number. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, let's look at this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, this crocodile is still eating the bigger number. 4 is less than 5. It's just turned around, isn't it? Because now he's chomping here. The smaller number is on this side, and the bigger number is over here on the other side. Maybe that's just a little bit better. Okay, so he is now chomping the bigger number over here because it has been turned around. Okay, so 4 is less than 5. Okay, so also if you make an L with your fingers. Okay, make an L. L is L is for left. Less than. L is less than. L is to the left and it is less than. Okay? So, 4 is less than 5. Now, let's do, I'm going to take some of these. Two is equal to 2. Okay? 2 is the same as 2, so it is equal. I know you guys have already learned equal. It's the same. So 2 is the same as 2, or 2 is equal to 2. It's the same number. Okay? Again, the crocodile is chomping the bigger number. Okay, so if we had, here I'm going to do this because I need that one back. I'm going to do 1. 1 is equal to 1. Okay? I'm going to put these 2 back over here. Okay, so 6 is greater than 3. The crocodile is eating the bigger number. He's chomping the bigger number. Here, 4 is less than 5, he's chomping the bigger number. Okay? Here, he's chomping the bigger number. Okay? But the bigger number is on this side, and the smaller number is on this side. But then down here, the smaller number is on this side, and the bigger number is on this side. Okay? So that's why he's turned around, because the bigger number is over here, he's greater than. He is chomping that 6 because it's bigger than the 3. Here, he's chomping the 5 because it is bigger than the 4. So 4 is less than 5, and 6 is greater than 3. Remember, he's always chomping the bigger number. Okay? I hope that is something that you understand, okay? And after this, click the green Add Response button. Mrs. Hensley has the signs written out for you, and you are just making the signs yourself, just like Mrs. Hensley did, okay? The signs are there for you. You're just going to write them like Mrs. Hensley did. You're just pretty much copying Mrs. Hensley to see that you can write the signs, okay? Remember, the crocodile or alligator is always eating, chomping the other. Ooh, chomping, that's a verb. Chomping or eating is a verb. It's showing what they're doing. Okay, remember the crocodile or the alligator is always chomping the bigger number. Okay, this is the bigger number, so it's chomping. And this number is greater than that number. Okay, here, this number is less than this number. That's why he's facing this way, because he has to chomp that 5. Okay, and these are equal. Okay, you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.